Dayton Hamvention 2026, DX Engineering, looking around all the booths, seeing what we could find, and had to stop by the Rocket Machine Worx booth with Jason. Jason, good seeing you, sir.
Good seeing you too.
It's your second year at Dayton Hamvention.
That's right.
Having a good show so far?
So far, yep.
Okay, well, show us what you brought for us.
Okay, so new for 26. Well, I'll give you an overview first. So all of our products are CNC machined in our shop. Either Lisa or myself is running the machine. We do the CAD, the CAM, the programming, all of it. All of our stuff is single point threaded through, so when you put these connectors in, they're threaded in. And that lock nut is serving its purpose as just a lock nut, unlike anything else on the market. And I'll show you in a second why that has extra value that maybe you hadn't thought of. New for 26, we have the travel patch. In addition to the travel patch is Cerakote, but the travel patch is intended for RV, vehicle, your Go Box build. We had a customer use them on his brick wall. We've had a customer get them to put on top of his toolbox in the bed of his truck. All this stuff is designed to enhance your creativity for your build of your shack. So anything you see with color is Cerakoted, and we started that for 2026. If you're unfamiliar, that is a baked on ceramic finish. And in particular for like a window kit, this is seriously going to extend the life of your already indestructible mini patch or micro patch or travel patch by having a ceramic coating that's protecting against the elements on the backside. Everything's laser engraved. Something we just recently figured out for HOA sufferers and second story shacks, etc., people in that sort of situation, because these are threaded through and it's locked with a lock nut as you see it, it can actually support the weight of an ATAS with either a T, which I'll discuss in a second, or a right angle. And you could have this on your second story apartment. You could have it handy to pull in if you have their HOA inspectors come by. It's just stuff of that nature. And in this configuration like this, you can stick a random coax on one of those other connectors, and that serves as the counterpoise for the ATAS to tune. You could put a T on it if it's in an RV, like in Traveling Ham's install video. But you need to disconnect the center conductor from it because that would electronically lengthen this whip, and that's not what we're after. We're just using the braid as a counterpoise. But that's super easy to whip up, right? This display, as you see it with the random coax that I haven't hooked up yet, this gets 1 to 1.2 on 10 meters like this in the most unideal world ever. So please give that some thought if you're suffering from the kind of issues that I discussed. So finally, you know us for the 3-foot wings for the regular window wing kit. For those that have windows bigger than that, is the window wing kit XL with 2 3-foot wings that really ought to cover any window that is in America like this. If it's bigger than this, I would really like to know about it.
Well, right on. Rocket Machine Worx available at dxengineering.com. Some of this is available now. Some of it is coming soon.
Yes.
Well, very good. Well, thank you so much for the time, Jason.
Appreciate it.
Take care. We'll see you next time
everybody.
at DX Engineering at Dayton Hamvention 2026.